What happened to the Victorinox shields? Keep watching to find out. First of all, I would like to show you the two boxes. The bottom one is a newer model and the top one is an older model. The older one has roughly 20 years and the newer one is roughly 5 years old. At first glance, you can see that the cardboard is slightly different. The newer one has a texture on it, and also the inscription of the logo is different. The older one, if you can see, a bit made in Switzerland. The newer one, Swiss made. Also, a tiny little detail that showed that the older one was much better designed. If you look at the corner, you can see that the Victorinox logo name and the Victorinox multi-tools Swiss precision since 1884 has the same width. It's not the same case on the newer one. The older one, in my opinion, is much better designed. It's much more balanced and overall more pleasant to the eye. Okay, let's get them out of the box. And here you will be able to see the older one. Everything is in a bluish color. Here you can see down in the corner below 2005. Let's see the newer one. The newer one has the same illustrations, but in black. And here you can see the date, 2018. This problem I noticed, it's not a problem, but something that I noticed. I tried to research it on many forums on the internet, but I could not find any explanation. When did this happen exactly and why did it happen? But I had in the meantime a lot of other knives in my hand and all of the newer ones have the same issue. Can you see a difference? Let's just zoom in a bit. Different lightings. As you can see, the older one has a perfectly printed shield. The red color completely and precisely fills the inner contours. That cannot be said for the newer one. You can see a lot of errors and the stamping, or I don't know how they color it, has a lot of errors, and that results that the shield looks a bit odd and smaller because the perception of the color helps the other one to perceive it a little bit bigger. And on the other hand, the older one has a really pleasant red color. The newer one can be a little bit darker and not that pleasant red. It's a deeper hue. The older one, it's red, it's much more pleasant. The newer one, it's from many angles it cannot be even perceived as red. So I'm just curious if you know anything about this, if you have any additional information or something. I would really like to know when did they decide to make these not so professional prints will just like to show you another Alox one. This is the classic. It has the same kind of printing, where it is not completely filled, the inner contour, and the color is a little bit off, like a wine red, not orange red. This one is roughly the same years old, 2018, 2019. I will put here some additional photos that show one additional Alox, and it has the same issue. You can see all of them. So I would really like to know what's up with the Shield. If you really like the orangey, pure red color, maybe you should find some older models, because the newer ones, as far as I can see, all of them have the same printing problem. Please let me know in the comments below if you know anything, or have a look at your Alox one, and please tell me when you bought it and if it has the correct precision printed shield or not. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.